Long after the crowds have gone home, the meticulous...
As we pull back, the sheer scale of these 4 venues becomes a pretus.
As you can see, the new guidance system allows for
And here comes the challenge. A brilliant slide tackle right there to win the ball. Utilizing the new Globus system, we can precisely measure.
The stage is set for the 2026 FIFA World Cup.
This cutting-edge process ensures the turf is laid efficiently.
With gentle, precise movements, the workers
Across the vast and detailed landscape of North America.
The sun sets over one of the world's largest stadiums.
The installation of the new playing surface is a massive...
The key to a healthy lawn lies beneath the surface.
It's imperative that we are clear about the challenges ahead.
The specialized machinery ensures the turf is laid with
The meticulous process of transforming the stadium begins.
With the turf installation underway, the stadium takes another...
Compacting the turf is a crucial step in stadium maintenance, ensuring
maintaining the perfect edge between the diamond and the outfield. The universal language of the beautiful game, bringing together people.
They've waited so long for this moment, and finally, Welcome to the National Turfgrass Research Facility.
The grid system here at the facility allows us to analyze diverse... Here in the facility, we track the application rates in real times. Observe the intricate layers of our premium turf.
At dusk, the massive undertaking continues.
As the city sleeps, the harvest continues.
Utilizing the newly developed Globus, the team initiated the visit. The new Globus unit requires precise calibration before the calibration is complete. Are the readings stable? Yes, looks good.
Welcome to the University of Tennessee Research Facility.
From these fields, we are cultivating the future.
Welcome to the future of agriculture. Here at the facility, we're redefining turf management.
The area within the marker represents the control group. As the view expands, the meticulous nature of the
forklift carefully maneuvers the massive turf.
With precision and power, the machine lifts the massive weight of the hood.
As the golden hour light bathes the arena, the machine
From this vantage point, the true scale of the new stadium.
Welcome to Foxborough, Massachusetts, home of this incredible...
From this vantage point, the sheer scale of the stadium computer. Combining raw power with intelligent design, the new... The F-Flex device utilizes precision robotics to measure... The white compartment door slides smoothly into place.
Meet the Flex, the next generation in automated field robotics.
The Flex device seamlessly integrates with the Globus system. The F-Flex device provides precise data on turf.
Here we see the full test path. The Flex device is pulled across the turf.
The new Flex system promised to revolutionize agriculture.
The Flex device utilizes precision movement to navigate.
To make the team this year, you need more than just skill. You need dedication.
With unparalleled precision and power, the new Globus system is...
First, ensure the ball is securely placed in the launching mechanism like this.
The new Globus launch system delivers unparalleled power and... The analysis device would capture every variable.
John places the training equipment aside and steps onto the globe.
Argentina slams Mercedes-Benz pitch. Better that we won June 21, 2024. This is the Globus mechanism. It ensures that
Experience the power and accuracy of the Globus system.
to begin, select the desired velocity setting.
John carefully loads the soccer ball into the Globus launcher.
The Globus machine allows us to precisely control the launch angle.
The Globus machine calculates spin and velocity to ensure rate. With the new Globus analysis, players can instantly review their precision engineering meets the beautiful game. The Globus system.
From this vantage point, the sheer scale of AT&T Stadium is...
In just 3 years, this hallowed ground will host the world. From this vantage, the sheer scale becomes clear.
These hyper-efficient LED panels.
The spectrum of light here is precisely tuned to maximum.
Look at this growth. It's incredible, he thinks to himself.
The Mercedes-Benz Stadium, an architectural marvel.
From this vantage point, the Mercedes-Benz Stadium...
An architectural masterpiece.
The secret to a perfect lawn lies in the details.
The cylindrical tube allows us to analyze the grass blade integrity.
With detailed skin texture and natural colors, the
Attention to detail is everything. He calibrates the mechanism.
As you can see here, the studs are designed to mimic the exact...
The ultra-realistic simulation highlights the intense friction and turgence. This demonstrates the detailed texture of the studs and their...
This is a test of the lawnmower. It is designed to simulate the wear...
Maintaining the pitch requires precision, smoothing the impact of the game.
Carefully maintained, each blade of grass holds...
A tale of two stadiums. Vancouver's urban landscape.
Beneath the surface, a hidden world thrives.
Welcome to the turf simulator. As you can see behind me, we have several varieties of grass.
A project this vast requires a dedicated team. Careful alignment is crucial when installing the turf. To understand the health of the field, one must look beneath the surface.
Strong lateral growth like this means healthier, more resilient turf.
The key to our turf is the density of these roots. By implementing this technique, we've managed to boost crop yield significantly.
Keep it coming. All right, hold it right there. A little bit higher. Okay, easy down now. Looks good.
This turf is incredibly easy to maintain. You can practically glide the mower.